saan-saan na napunta. May binabalik kang alaala na sabay rin nating ginawa. Paminsa'y malungkot ang tema at lunod sa gitna ng problema. Basta't meron kang makakasama, alam mo happy ending pa rin pala. Iba talaga pagsama-sama, ang kwentuhan ay mas masaya. Abot kahit saan natatawa, iba talaga, iba talaga. Ang kwentuhan ay mas masaya. Ang sarap isipin na marami palang nagmamahal sa akin. No. To all of you, to Nestle, and to my SOP family, thank you very, very much for making my birthday extra special. And I would like to say thank you to Sweet Home Bake Shop for my birthday cake. And also, thank you so much to everybody who came here, sa mga co-hosts, everybody. On May 9 and 10, I will be at the Araneta Coliseum with the Concert King, Martin Rivera. May 30, Regine returns, Baliwag, Bulacan. And I will be at the Odyssey Mega Mall, 4 p.m. today. And Leyte po, pupunta ako sa Leyte ng June 5, so don't forget. Thanks for the flowers from UNICEF, NAB, and... Ano yan? Abs. Mali ko babasa. Better Herbs, ayan. And again, hindi matatapos yung pagta-thank you ko to everybody for giving me such a wonderful birthday party. So thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, Nestle, back to back. Thank you.
And I just want to thank Salon de Manila, F&H, Coco Elizazo for my gown, Sarabia Optical, and Salon West. And on May 8th, I will be in Calapi Cultural Center in Bohol, June 6 and 7 on stage, June 19, Alegria, and July 12 in San Diego, California.
This weekend, May 2, 3, and 4, Karil and I will be at Glorieta. And we will be in The Little Mermaid by Trumpets Production. So sana pumunod kayo. 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. Karil and I, this weekend, Little Mermaid.
GMA, we have a Kapuso cake here for Mr. Martin Rivera and Mr. Gary Valenciano.
Thank you so much for being with us.
And of course, I'd like to say thank you. And of course, I'd like to say thank you to Sharon Cuneta.
Of course, thank you,
and
Ate
Richard
Sharon.
Gomez. At yung telesine po, mamayang gabi na, 9 p.m.
Gary V, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you also to everyone. Regine, happy birthday.
Yes. Hey, Ogie Alcacid will be at Mimosa, May 9, May 16, Aliw Theater.
Uy, don't forget, kahit kailan, mamaya.
Happy birthday, Ogie. Happy birthday.
Thank you to Freeway for Antoinette and Karil's clothes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Manny Fuentes, to Massimo, No Curfew, and Leyva. Thanks.